MAPSA would be open. You see, they have to write to the Planning and Development Authority, you know. What is happening? People are complaining to the press, but they're not complaining to the competent authority. They want to be seen on the newspaper or on the TV. But the job is to file a complaint before the North Goa Planning and Development Authority. So that is the important thing. Once they file that, they have to go to the press and say, these are my objections. When you notify, you have to give your objections. You put before the public. That is notification. Notification is not individual. I'm not calling individuals there. 1 month notice period is there.
Okay.
Within that 1 month notice period, you complain. Then you will be heard.
Give your opinion.
Yeah, you complain or give your opinion, suggestion, whatever. Then they'll call you for hearing. You see, I have opened up body piece of Moscow, Murmugaon, Taligaon, MAPSA. These are opened. Punji is getting opened, I think already opened also. These are the authorities, these are specially constituted authorities under Town Planning Act. We don't understand the seriousness of the issues. Every authority is given their own job under the Act. People who are complaining are not complaining under the Act. They complain out of the Act.